Yo, what's up, everybody? It's J2O, keeping it real FOREX KING, back for another weekly Forex forecast for the week of January 10th to the 15th. So the first week of January happened. Last week was like the first real week of the market with NFP. Market did a lot of crazy movements. A lot's going on. We have the issue that happened at the Capitol. We have like so much going on that's been thinking. So last week the market was pretty good. I would say there was a lot of movement compared to during the holiday season. So we're back to things in the market moving, a lot of pitch to catch. So now let's look at this week. So as you can see, we look at the forexfactory.com, look at the calendar. So January 10th, you see there's like a bank holiday all day for JPY. So this pair might be kind of slow. You trade things correlate to JPY. There's a lot of yellow folders, low impact news. Monday, mostly low impact news. And then you got some like medium impact news. So I don't think too much going on Monday. Probably nice movements. Then you got Tuesday, a lot of low impact news, not too many news events. For GBP, some like medium impact news, but I don't see nothing too crazy happening in the market. Wednesday, a lot of low impact news and some like medium impact news trading USD for the core CPI MM and CPI MM. So it's been some decent movement if you trade the USD pair. And then we got Thursday, there's high impact news at 1:30. The Fed chair power speaks. So be careful if you trade around that time period in the market. And then you got Friday, core retail sales MM and retail sales MM during New York session. So there should be some decent volatility for this high impact news for Friday. So now let's look at the charts. So right now, Gbp Jpy, I do see it as a continuation for an uptrend for this week coming up. Right now, we look at a forward chart. We're around an area that was tested, like resistance. It's like you could say a supply zone. It tested this area. We kind of broke it, so I do see us coming back down, potentially shooting back up as an option. Or when market opens up from Sunday, Monday, you could see a gap and then it just shoots back up. But overall, I do see an uptrend because the market could, if it gaps down, it could gap down, test the air, and then shoot up. That's a possibility. Or we could just come back and just shoot up. But overall, I do see an uptrend for USD JPY for the week. Just a heads up. Okay, let's look at GBP USD. Same for this pair. This market has been testing this area of support. Right now, it's kind of strong. There's a lot of consolidation, as you see over here. So there's going to be a breakout. So I do see the market shooting back up for an uptrend. If it comes down, if it breaks this area, we could test this area and shoot back up. But I do see us continuation for uptrend for this week. Because this area is a strong area of support. So I bet on for it going up for uptrend for this week. And let's look at AUD, USD. So this pair does make some consolidation, but a lot of breakouts. As you can see, we're on an uptrend. The market is constantly going up and up and up and up and up. So right now we're in an area that created some type of support. So I do see us potentially shooting up for the week because AUD likes to move a lot, and when it moves, it moves. So I do see an uptrend. But if the market comes down, we'll test this area and then shoot back up. That is also a possibility because we are pretty much respecting this zone area. It's like a nice area to buy if it comes down here. And then we continue to shoot up, as you can see. And then let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has reached like the 40,000+ area. So Bitcoin's on uptrend. I know people waiting for the drop. Right now, we can see from the past it like dropped down, it shot up. So if it comes down, we can come down this area and then shoot up. So looking for uptrend for Bitcoin. Be careful trying to catch a drop. Drop can be minor, but this is like a buy area, I would say, potentially, if it comes down to this area for entries to get back in for the buy. And then US30, the Dow, obviously the Dow ending great on Friday during NFP. There was like less jobs reported, which is a good thing. So right now, I do see the market potentially testing the trend line and continue to shoot up for this week. Or if it comes back down, you might play around the zone area and then shoot up for the Dow. Because right now you can see this is kind of like consolidation, but at the same time, we're pretty much trying to break up to the upside. It had like a strong bullish 4-hour candle. So usually when the market opens, it could literally just gap up and then, shoot back up and stuff. So overall, I just see uptrend for the Dow. But it's affected a lot. It's like impacted a lot by what's happening, what's going on with like the Congress, the House of Georgia, all that stuff affects the market. Like so many factors that cause the market to go up and down. So we'll see what happens this week coming up. But overall, I do see the market going up for the Dow Jones. And then for Ethereum, same thing right now. You can see there's a lot of, you could say, consolidation, I call it, around this area. So this is going to be a breakout. The market could come back down and start to shoot up, where the case is. And you can see a continuation. Or the market, if it does break down here, it could literally come back down to the zone and test and then shoot up or whatever. So I do see overall uptrend. But right now we had this consolidation where it could be like a breakout. So I'm looking for entries around this zone area to get in to catch the buy for the upside. And then Bitcoin for this week. I think I already talked about Bitcoin, so let me not focus on that. So XRP. A lot of people were talking about what's going on with XRP. So lately, XRP, they had the SEC lawsuit. I'm still holding my on Coinbase, holding my XRP. I believe XRP will eventually get back up to the 65 cents area. But it could take a while. There's a lot going on. Right now, there was some movements last week. Right now we're consolidating. So probably gonna break out and come back up to like potentially the 38 area. So overall, I do see uptrend, but it could take a while. As you see, all this took forever, barely any movement because of what's happening. So you could literally see like little movement before it just randomly shoots up, like that happened here. So just pay attention. So pretty much focus on buys, or at least waiting for buy entries, even if it comes back down a little bit. And last but not least, Ufc Jpy. So Friday it shot up, NFP kind of shot it up. It was good news for the USD, so non-farm payroll helped out. But this is an overall downtrend pair, so I do see the market potentially test around this area before it decides to just come back down and create lower lows, just like here. It shot up here, played around, and it came down. So right now we shot up here. Wait, hold on. Right now we like shot up here. So we can literally play around this area before we drop down, continue to drop. So that's pretty much my analysis for this upcoming week. Trade what you see, use good risk management, and you should be okay. The main thing I say as a trader, focus on risk management, lot sizes, stay profitable. And that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Right now, we out here. Peace.